Hey guys, I'm John Setzler. Welcome back to Atlanta Grill Company. Today we're going to kick off April's rub of the month, which is the Atlanta Grill Company Big Chicken Rub. And we're going to cook some grilled chicken leg quarters. So let's get started. So I want to introduce you to the chicken that we're going to cook. I've got a couple of really nice looking organic chicken leg quarters here that I picked up. And I have taken a paper towel and dried these guys off as best I can. And what I want to do now is drizzle on a light coat of extra virgin olive oil. And I just want to smear that on the outside of this. It doesn't have to be thick. You actually want it kind of thin. And I'm going to flip these guys over and we're going to hit the back side as well and just smear that all over here. We're going to use that as kind of a binder, and it's also going to help these things cook really nicely. And after I get that done, we're going to season, and we're going to use the April Atlanta Grill Company Rub of the Month, which is the big chicken. And I'm going to just shake on. You don't want to go too heavy, but you want to get a nice coat. I'm going to start with the back side, and I'm just going to shake that on there. I'm going to kind of pat it in, then I'm going to flip these guys back over, and we'll get the top side or the presentation side seasoned up nicely with this big chicken. This is a really amazing chicken seasoning. If you haven't tried this yet, I highly recommend it. So we're going to put that on there, and then we're going to do kind of a dry brine. I'm going to take each of these chicken pieces and I'm going to put it on my pan with the rack, and we're going to toss this guy in the refrigerator and let these dry brine for several hours before we're ready to cook. Today I'm going to cook these chicken leg quarters on my PK grill, the Aaron Franklin edition. So I'm going to get a chimney full of charcoal briquettes started, and then we'll get started on this cook. Okay, I've dumped out my briquettes, and I'm going to give those just a few more minutes to finish ashing over completely, and then I'm going to spread those out and level those out a bit where we can cook over direct heat on one side of the grill and finish up over indirect. And I've also got my chicken thighs out of the fridge. These guys have been dry brining in there for about 4 hours or so, so they are ready to go. Okay, I've got my coals nice and hot. So what I'm going to do is, I think I said I was going to start out direct, but we're going to start out indirect. I'm going to put these 3 chicken leg quarters over here on the indirect side with the thigh portion towards the fire. I've also put a couple of pieces of cherry wood in there to get a little smoke. So we're just going to close the lid and let these cook. And when I get my internal, I'm going to take these to about 170 or 175 degrees internally, but when I get up to about 160 or so, I'm going to come back and we're going to give them a little char over some direct heat. So I'm just going to close the grill and then we're going to let these cook. Okay, we've been going here for about 25 minutes or so, and my chicken temperature is up where I want it. That the internally here, we're at about 160. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this over direct flame for a little bit, and we're going to char up, give that a little bit of char on the presentation side of that chicken. And we're not going to give it long. It's not going to take it too long at all, and we'll flip those here in just a moment. So these are ready to flip, and like I said, these are going to need to go quickly. You don't want to over char that. You just want to get a little bit of char on there. I'm going to get just a hair on the back side of that one. This one needs just a tad more, and you don't want to walk away from this. That's looking good. So I'm going to take those off, move this one over that flame there just a little bit. These are going to be amazing. That's looking perfect. So I'm going to pull that off. I'm going to pull these off the grill, and then we're going to let them rest for just a couple of minutes. These guys look amazing, and I'm going to finish these off with a little bit of the Atlanta Grill Company vinegar barbecue sauce. I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of that on there and let the wind blow it everywhere. We've had a horribly windy March here, guys, so these are going to be amazing. So guys, you're going to have to give this a try. The big chicken rub is going to be beautiful on this chicken. It's got an amazing flavor and aroma. So give this a try. Let me know what you think. Until next time, this is John Setzler with the Atlanta Grill Company.